Notion can feel like a blank page that expects too much from you. I've been there. But once I figured out a few simple ways to set it up, it clicked. In this video, I'll walk you through what Notion actually is, what it's good for, and how to start using it without getting stuck or overwhelmed. Think of it as a trailer with superpowers, or a Word document that talks to your calendar. A database tool that doesn't need you to learn how to code. It's flexible, powerful, and lets you mix pages, templates, databases, even AI to build pretty much anything. From managing complex projects to organizing your favorite food recipes. Let me show you around so you get an idea for what it can do for you. And hey, if you like discovering tools that help you get done more with less effort, make sure to subscribe to our free Tooltester Newsletter. Links in the description. But how much will Notion cost you? They do have a free plan, of course with some limitations. Let me scroll down to show you. One of the biggest limitations of the free plan is that you only get 5 megabytes for uploading your files. Then there's the page history, so you're only limited to 7 days. And then of course there's the AI features that are quite limited with the free plan. The Plus plan is fairly affordable, only $10 a month per user. From that you can jump into the business plan or even get a custom solution. Let's now dive into Notion. From here you can change your workspace or even create a new one. I have a personal one, let's check what's in there. From the private section in the left-hand side menu, you can access all the pages that you are not sharing with anyone, meaning they are private because you only have access to them. And we can have a look at this weekly to-do list, or you can build your own monthly budget. And one of my favorite things in Notion is all the templates that you can use for free and you can find in the repository system. So I head over templates, and let's say I'm looking for a meal planner, and there are already so many nice templates that people put together. So for example, I like the look of this one. Yeah, I just could preview it or directly add it as one of my pages, and then we open it up. What really stands out is how flexible it is and how much of a personal look you can give to any page. If you want to add new elements, let's go to the top. You come here and type /, and then these are all the elements that you can find within Notion. As you can see, there's a lot of them and it might take some time to get your head around them. Notion's done a great effort to integrate AI into the system, and right now there are several things you can do. One of the cool things that Notion can do for you is to transcribe meeting notes directly. There are many other AI features that Notion integrates. You can check on the website if you need more references. One of the features that make Notion stand out are the database functions, which are pretty spot on. Let's create a new page to just showcase this. Let's give it a title, and then let's look for the database element. As you can see, you could add many types of properties. That would be types of fields of data you want to record, like URL, images, dates. There's so many, to be fair. But then you can also create relations between those databases. So you could create one database for your clients, and then one database for your projects, and then have them talk to each other somehow. That's it for today. I just wanted to give you an overview of Notion so you could see for yourself if it's a good solution for your needs. Before I go, let me cheekily ask you to please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and remind you that you can subscribe to our newsletter for free. The link is in the description to find all these tools we talk about and the productivity hacks that we send weekly. Have a good day and see you around.